What have you been doing this week?
We're on a school field trip. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back.
이번 주에 무엇을 하고 있었나요? 우리는 학교에서 견학을 하고 있어요. 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안 여행 중이에요.
Where have you gone?
We went to UNC and learned about the basketball history and their star basketball players. Then we went to Somerset Plantation and we learned about how they treated the slaves and how they made candles and wrote. And we learned about the owners too.
어디에 갔었나요? UNC에 가서 농구 역사와 스타 농구 선수들에 대해 배웠어요. 그 다음에는 서머셋 플랜테이션에 가서 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지, 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지, 그리고 주인들에 대해서도 배웠어요.
Then we went to the Blackbeard Museum and we learned about Blackbeard, how he became a pirate and how he died and what his battle style was. Then we learned about the Wright brothers' history. That's today. Before we came on to the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. We researched what they flew and how they flew and what inspired them.
그 다음에는 블랙비어드 박물관에 가서 블랙비어드가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 그의 전투 스타일에 대해 배웠어요. 그 후에는 라이트 형제의 역사에 대해 배웠어요. 오늘이에요. 여행을 떠나기 전에 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. 우리가 무엇을 어떻게 날렸고 무엇이 그들에게 영감을 주었는지 연구했어요.
Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational?
Tonight we'll have a dance and last night we went bowling.
재미로 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거고 어젯밤에는 볼링을 했어요.
Do you have any special interests?
I like sports. I like basketball and I'm on the school baseball team.
특별한 관심사가 있나요? 저는 스포츠를 좋아해요. 농구를 좋아하고 학교 야구팀에 소속되어 있어요.
What are your plans for the future after you finish school?
I want to be a zoologist. I want to study animals, and I might be like my older sister and be a photographer and take pictures of animals too.
학교를 마친 후에 미래 계획은 무엇인가요? 저는 동물학자가 되고 싶어요. 동물을 연구하고 싶어요. 그리고 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 되어 동물 사진을 찍을 수도 있을 것 같아요.
Is there anything that you would like to say to kids in other countries?
You guys are going to get there. Just keep working hard.
다른 나라의 아이들에게 하고 싶은 말이 있나요? 여러분도 거기에 도달할 거예요. 그냥 열심히 노력하세요. We're on a school field trip. 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 무엇인지 배웠어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Tonight we'll have a dance. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Last night we went bowling. 어젯밤에는 볼링을 했어요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 저는 제 누나처럼 사진 작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. Just keep working hard. 그냥 열심히 노력하세요.
Practice pronunciation, please.
We're on a school field trip. We're on에는 we're on아처럼 연음됩니다. 이유. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. state and에서 t가 거의 d처럼 들립니다. It's a 4day는 4day로 자연스럽게 이어집니다. 들려드림. We learned about how they treated the slaves. treated the T처럼 들립니다. learned about은 how they는 how they처럼 연음됩니다. We learned how they made candles and wrote. wrote에서 T가 명확하게 발음되지 않을 수 있습니다. 연음법. learned how는 learned how. candles and는 candles and처럼 연음됩니다. how. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. pirate. learned how는 learned how. pirate and는 pirate and처럼 연음됩니다. 6. We also learned what his battle style was. what his 에서 T가 D처럼 들립니다. learned what는 battle style은 battle style처럼 연음됩니다. 7. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. built replicas에서 T가 D처럼 들립니다. came onto는 came onto, gliders at는 gliders at처럼 연음됩니다. 8. Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? just for에서 T가 거의 들리지 않습니다. just for는 just for, or are는 or are처럼 연음됩니다. Tonight we'll have a dance. tonight에서 T 약하게 발음됩니다. tonight will은 처럼 연음됩니다. Last night we went bowling. last night와 went bowling에서 T가 약하게 발음됩니다. anyhow no keyboard 연음바 last night은 last night. we went는 we went처럼 연음됩니다. 11. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. might be에서 T가 약하게 발음됩니다. might be는 might be, sister and는 sister and처럼 연음됩니다. 12. Just keep working hard. just keep에서 T가 거의 들리지 않습니다. just keep는 just keep처럼 연음됩니다. 들려드림.
Engineer. Remember on a school field trip, I think in kindergarten, listening on an AM radio to the landing of the first space shuttle mission, the Columbia. By the way, AM radio is what we used to use to learn things before the internet, but after the telegraph.
Very next day, while on a school field trip, the documents state that they followed Coleman's class for several blocks, shouting racial epithets and summoning other nearby white males to join them.
We toured the Capitol like they were on a school field trip having to find items their teachers gave them on a worksheet.
Because it was away from the object, like students on a field trip, away from school.
Actually, last year, our school went on a field trip to a bunch of junior or Rangers memorials all around the South.
I only had to take 2 pair of trousers for a 4-day trip.
Kissimmee is giving away a 4-day trip including accommodations, rental car, airfare, and theme park access to one lucky winner.
From around the world, and awards him a 4-day trip to Google in Mountain View.
On Friday, the president was halfway through a 4-day trip to Israel, the West Bank, and Jordan.
Not too many people come back with 2 bottles of shampoo when they go on a 4-day trip.
So my question to you is, what are some of the lessons you've learned about how to do that?
What's the lessons to be learned about sort of how they went at it?
Now, my first generation, they learned about how to eat when they were little kids in their native land of the Philippines, Japan, China, Korea. They learned a diet of rice and vegetables.
So what have you sort of learned about how easy it is to be aware of the unknown?
To give a few tips or things that I've learned about how to interview someone for a podcast.
And he learned how to fix that by observing what was working.
Another spy who learned how to mimic Dreyfus's handwriting, and he picked up the torch of spying after Dreyfus left.
He's recently learned how to open doors, cupboards, and cabinets.
Through our disagreement, we learned how to engage in this nuanced
affected their neighbors if they learned how to integrate into mainstream culture. Mendelssohn believed integration would eventually free European Jews from restrictive civil laws.
I also learned how to build my vocabulary through repetition again and again and again, because that has helped me master new.
I asked him how he became such an expert on fish.
The roadmap of how he became successful.
And on the spot. And that's how he became the youngest director in Hollywood history.
God, how he turned against God, how he became the enemy of God.
Breaking down how he became Jimmy Hoffa in The Irishman. Then in
was asked how he became so rich. He said, well, it was a combination of being born an American, having a couple of lucky genes, and the power of compound interest.
To write a creepy ended up being a nonsensical string of events. But the worst part of it was that the writing style was so clunky. It's like
that will put you out of focus. And in fact, his style was to pose 6-word, 8-word questions of, could you do this? And the first thought was, my God, that's impossible. And then
In this style was published in 1789, an expanded collection, Songs of Innocence and of Experience, showing
how his management style was to fly off the handle.
thinking about the world, whatever my cognitive style was, and that's clearly right, and everything on us is deviant, right? And in my first few jobs, I really had a tough time with other ways of thinking. Those people.
John Dunlap was, just before we came up here, and I'm looking forward to your remarks this evening, as we all are.
As we mentioned before he came in, I'm a big fan of all of this online digital education. It provides resources for people around the world, but it's only
to forget about anything that we were doing before we came into this room. Just give ourselves permission to not think about anything that you're going to do when you leave here.
It's an amazing story, and something I met with the two officers before we came out, and I said from my heart, there's very few of us who are able to say we saved a life with certain
Earth. Well, we had a good discussion before we came on stage about some of this, and the issue that in the military, I think the big thing we're looking at today is that the world is changing significantly in a lot of ways.
productions in LA before we came to New York. We did.
They're given. And Boris and I, before we came here, were talking about why we need a different governance structure.
It could be professional, could be just for fun.
If you go back just for fun and look at how Titanic performed, I mean, it came out to a modest, I think it was like a...
Try it one of these days, just for fun.
And he titled it Just for Fun.
And bought a longboard just for fun, because when I was a kid, about 5th or 6th grade, I would whip around on a skateboard. And so I bought a longboard just for fun.
Call Peter just for fun, and they don't like it, but they confirm it, okay?
Our muscles taut, sometimes we'll, just for fun, throw in.
When you sit down and observe your own mind on purpose, just for fun, as a kind of scientific inquiry into...
Tonight we will consider the changes already in place and the questions they raise for society.
So tonight we will hear from musicians who helped to shape this singular American art form.
Tonight we'll drop down to 45 degrees, southeast winds, 5 to 9 miles per hour, with rain, and don't be surprised to hear that thunder.
Enjoy it. As we go into tonight, we will be cooling down to a 60 degrees, so it's going to be a very cool night. Clouds will be approaching later in the night as we move into Friday.
And tonight we will honor businesses who make the effort to do good in our community.
Tonight we will attend the lecture of Lola Sefar and Mason White, Lateral Office, that is called Undisciplined.
So we went to the city to legalize and enhance the practice.
We basically did CDs
Okay. We did not have time to do any advertising. We went to third-party brokers.
The planet. We went to the moon.
We went to the store.
Envious of somebody that we went to high school with who now has a great job and a beautiful spouse.
Reminds me of a time we went to France together just to taste mustards. Obviously.
Happened when we went into the epic shutdown and pandemic environment in 2020. We were all.
If we went from where we are today to everybody.
Looks like I might be wrong. Doesn't mean I'm bad or stupid. You know?
Now, I might be an introvert, but I don't have a problem with public speaking.
Hi everyone. So I might be showing my age here, but do you all know about mixtapes and what a
audio from what I know and from what I've been told, but I might be wrong. However,
more than once, so I might be misremembering this correctly, but I think Wong, who's the librarian, I'm pretty sure he is Tibetan.
And now I might be directly responsible for destroying natural habitats.
My instinct on it, I might be wrong, but I think people will see the reaction other people get. I think tastes and mores might have.
As a technologist, I thought I might be able to build a project that might help me solve this feeling of darkness and disconnect.
Good. You'll just keep finding ways to get better.
They'd shut the government down, he'd veto them, they'd come back. You just keep going because we're dealing with a hyper-partisan opposition.
The fines are doubled, so just keep that in mind if you decide that you're going to go too fast through.
Want to see is unavailable or sold out, just keep checking. There were
Discoverable was just keep watching more of my content. Let me keep
Yeah. Here, I'm going to add the wine to, we already preheated these stalks. I'm going to add this to the no stir.
What?
And heat a little bit because we're going to add all the liquid all at once.
Oh yeah, you're right.
All at once.
Well, should we start heating these guys? Or
Yeah, let's do that.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Medium, medium, medium. Yeah.
Okay.
Please practice making sentences.
We're on a school field trip. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. We learned about how they treated the slaves. We learned how they made candles and wrote. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. We also learned what his battle style was. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? Tonight we'll have a dance. Last night we went bowling. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. Just keep working hard.
네, 문장을 만드는 시간입니다. 첫 번째 문장은 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. 우리는이 주어가 되고요. 견학 중이에요. 여행 중이에요. 이거하고 마찬가지 얘기입니다. 그래서 여행 중이다 할 때는 we are on a trip 이렇게 말할 수도 있고 we are traveling 이렇게 말할 수도 있습니다. 그러면 어쩔 때 traveling이라고 말하고 어쩔 때 on a trip이라고 말하느냐? on a trip은 비교적 2, 3일간이나 4, 5일간 이렇게 짧은 기간의 여행 그것을 on a trip 그렇게 하고요. We are traveling 그러면 한 단어로 말하면 journey와 비슷한 그런 의미를 가진 좀 약간 긴 기간의 여행을 we are traveling 그렇게 말합니다. 그래서 여기에서는 지금 4, 5일간이라 했나요? 며칠인지는 정확히 4일이네요. 4일 동안 여행을 했기 때문에 we are on a trip인데 학교 견학이죠. 그냥 여행이 아니고 학교 견학은 field trip이라고 합니다. school field trip. school field trip 이게 아주 입에 붙은 말처럼 그렇게 많이 사용합니다. school field trip. 자, 그러면 주어는 우리이고 we. 그 다음에 학교 견학은 a school field trip. 다음에 they are traveling, they are on a trip은 그 차이를 설명드렸습니다. 비교적 짧은 기간의 여행을 on a trip, we are on a trip. 비교적 긴 기간의 여행을 they are traveling 이렇게 사용한다고요. 자, 그러면 문장을 만들어 보면 여기에서요. We are we're on a we are on a school field trip. 네, 이렇게 하면 우리는 지금 학교 견학 중입니다. 소문자로 써야 됩니다. 문장 안에서는 첫 그래머 룰에서 첫 번째 문장의 첫 글자는 대문자로 쓴다. 그리고 마지막에는 피리어드를 찍어야 된다. We are on a school trip. 첫 번째 문장이었습니다. 네, 두 번째 문장입니다. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. 자, 이것은 is 우리 주를 횡단하며 across our state 4일 동안의 여행 이것을 하나의 복합 명사로 사용했습니다. A 4-day trip. 그럼 간단해졌네요. It is a 4-day trip across our state. 이렇게 하면 되겠네요. 자, 그러면 주어는 is. 그 다음에 우리 주를 횡단하며 전치사구 across our state. 그 다음에 4일 동안의 여행 a 4-day trip. a 4-day trip. 자, 이것을 문장으로 만들어 보면요. is a 4-day trip across our state. period. 문장을 만들 때는 문장의 첫 글자는 대문자로 사용하고 문장의 맨 마지막에는 period를 찍어야 된다. 복합 명사를 만들 때는 이렇게 하이픈을 사용합니다. 이걸 하이픈이라고 합니다. 하이픈. 이 하이픈을 사용해서 복합 명사를 만듭니다. 이렇게 붙여서요. A 4-day trip. A 4-day trip. It's a 4-day trip across our state. 두 번째 문장이었습니다. 세 번째 문장은요. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. 이런 문장입니다. 그러면 여기서 주어 동사는 우리는 we 배웠어요. 뭐 learned죠. 자, 보겠습니다. 우리는 we고 배웠어요 했는데 learned를 사용하기도 하고 learned about을 사용하기도 합니다. 어쩔 때 learned about을 사용하냐면 배우기는 배웠는데 직접적인 것, 주어와 직접 관계되는 것이 아니고 약간 간접적인 것, 그 주변에 있는 것을 배웠을 때는 about을 사용하고 주어와 직접적인 관계가 있는 것은 learned를 사용합니다. 그런데 여기서 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. 그러니까 노예가 직접적으로 뭘 하는 게 아니고 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 우리가 배우는 것이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 거기에 대해서 배우는 거기 때문에 상당히 거리가 먼 거죠. 그래서 learned about을 사용했습니다. 자, 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned, 그들은 they. 그 다음에 노예를 slave, slave가 노예죠. 복수니까 slaves. 그 다음에 어떻게 대했는지 how, 대하다 treat, treat인데 treat가 대하다인데 왜 treated를 사용하느냐. 주절 앞에 주된 절의 동사가 과거죠. learned, 배웠다 아닙니까? 그러니까 뒤에 따라오는 종속된 절이라고 그러죠. 어려운 말로. 따라오는 절의 동사도 과거하고 맞춰줘야 됩니다. 그래서 treat가 되는 겁니다. 그냥 우리가 생각해봐도 우리는 배웠어요. 어떻게 대했었는지를 배웠어요. 이렇게 되죠. 과거가 이치로 그냥 생각해봐도 과거가 되는 겁니다. 자, 그러면 문장을 만들어 보겠습니다. 우리는 배웠어요. learned about이라 그랬죠. learned about. 우리는 배웠어요. 그 다음에 about이 전치사니까 전치사 목적어가 되려면 명사류가 와야 되겠죠. 그래야 목적어가 되죠. 자, how가 이끄는 명사절이에요. 여기는 how, they treated slaves. Period. We learned about how they treated the slaves. The slaves. 우리는 그들이 그 노예들을 어떻게 다루었는지, 어떻게 대해줬는지에 관해서 배웠습니다. 그래서 learned about을 사용한다고 그랬습니다. 약간 간접적인 거니까. 네, 이번 문장은요. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. 이런 문장입니다. 이전 문장과 마찬가지로 learned에 관한 문장입니다. 이 전의 문장에서는 learned가 약간 거리가 먼 노예들을 어떻게 대했는지에 대해서 배웠기 때문에 learned about을 썼습니다. 이번에는 직접 기술을 배우는 겁니다. 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 쓰고 그렇기 때문에 learned를 씁니다. 자, 그러면요. 주어는 we이고 동사는 learned입니다. 양초를 만들고 글을 쓰는 건 직접 하는 거기 때문에 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 they 만들고 made 글을 쓰다 write죠. write 과거. 왜 과거를 쓰느냐? 주저르 동사가 과거이기 때문에 뒤에 따라오는 저르 동사도 마찬가지로 과거로 써줍니다. 맞춰주는 겁니다. 이거 어려운 말로 옛날 문법에서 시제의 일치라고 그렇게 가르쳤죠. 자, 양초는 candle. candle인데 복수니까 candles. 어떻게 만들고 how. 우리는 we, 그들이 they, 양초는 candles, 어떻게 how, 만들다 made, 글을 쓰다 wrote. made나 wrote를 과거로 쓰는 건 learned가 과거이기 때문에, 주제로 동사가 과거이기 때문에. 자, 문장을 만들어 보겠습니다. We learned. 주어 동사 있죠. 목적어가 와야 되겠죠. 목적어는 how가 이끄는 명사절이에요. 자, 목적어가 되려면 명사류가 와야 되죠. 여기에 learned 다음에 목적어가 올라오면. 그런데 how가 이끄는 명사절이 목적으로 온 겁니다. How they made candles. How they made candles. 그리고 접속사가 있어야겠죠. 접속사를 넣어줍니다. and. 그 다음에 wrote, period. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 how they made candles, 글을 썼는지 wrote, 배웠어요. We learned. 네, 이번 문장은 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. 이것도 learned죠. 배웠다. We learned인데 learned냐 learn about냐. 그가 직접 해적이 되고 그가 직접 죽는 거기 때문에 이건 learned를 사용합니다. 자, 그럼 우리는 we learned. 이게 주절이죠. we learned. 그 다음에 이제 목적어가 되는 따라오는 절, 종속절입니다. 그가 he became 되었고 become이 되다죠. become이 되다인데 왜 became으로 해주냐면 주절의 동사가 과거이니까 맞추어 주는 겁니다. became. 그리고 죽었다. die죠. die가 동사 원형인데 died는 과거. die, died, died. 이거하고 맞추기 위해서 died로 해주는 겁니다. 어떻게, how, 해적, a pirate, a pirate, a pirate, 해적, 어떻게, how. 자, 그럼 문장으로 만들어 보겠습니다. We learned. 이게 주절이죠. learned 목적어가 와야 되겠죠. 목적어가 또 명사절이에요. how가 이끄는 how he how he became a pilot. 어떻게 해적이 되었고, pilot은 해적입니다. pilot. how he became a pilot. 또 how절이 또 하나 있죠. 그러면 and를 넣어줘야 되겠죠. 접속사를. and how he died. Period. We learned how he became a pilot and how he died. 네, 이번 문장은 또한 그 전투 스타일이 무엇인지 배웠어요. 그러니까 그 전투 스타일, 기술을 직접 배운 거기 때문에 여기도 learned를 사용합니다. 자, 그러면 we learned, 이게 주절이죠. we learned, 우리는 배웠습니다. 이제 목적어에 대한 문장 만들기입니다. also 배웠습니다. 또한, 이거는 주절로 들어가야 되겠네요. we also learned, 이렇게 돼야 되겠죠. we also learned. 그 battle style, 그 전투 스타일, his battle style. 무엇인지, what was. 자, 문장을 만들어 보겠습니다. We also learned. 우리는 또한 배웠습니다. 이제부터가 목적어죠. what이 이끄는 명사절이 목적어가 됐습니다. What his battle style was. what이 의문문을 만들 때는 what was his battle style? 그 전투 스타일이 뭡니까? 이럴 때는 was가 주어 앞으로 가서 what was his battle style? 이렇게 하지만 지금 여기서는 명사절로서 목적으로 온 명사절이기 때문에 what, 주어, 동사 이렇게 가야 됩니다. We also learned what his battle style was. 우리는 또한 그 전투 스타일이 무엇인지 배웠습니다. 네, 이번 문장은요. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. 이런 문장입니다. 자, 주어를 보면 우리는 만들었어요가 되죠. 여행을 떠나기 전에 부사절. 자, 그럼 보겠습니다. 주어와 동사를 만들면 we built, 우리는 만들었습니다. 만들었어요를 built를 써도 되고 build의 과거죠. build. build를 써도 되고 made를 써도 됩니다. 근데 약간의 뉘앙스 차이가 있어요. made는 약간 좀 단순한 거, 그런 걸 만들 때 made라고 말하고, built는 약간 더 정교한 거, 복잡한 거, 그런 거를 만들었다 할 때 built를 사용합니다. 자, 그드르 글라이더 모형. 그드르 글라이더. 여기서 그들이 누구냐면 지금 이 학생들이 스콜필드 트립을 갔는데 어디를 갔냐면 나이트 형제들이 만들었던 그 비행기 전시장을 지금 간 거예요. 그래서 얘네들이 이 여행을 출발하기 전에 학교에서 그 모형을 한번 만들어 봤다는 거예요. 그러니까 여기서 그드르 글라이더는 나이트 형제들의 글라이더가 됩니다. 나이트 형제들의 글라이더의 모형을 만들었어요. 그런 뜻입니다. 어디에서? 학교에서. 여행을 떠나기 전에 Before we came on the trip. 맨 첫 문장에서 We are on school field trip. 그렇게 했었죠. 그래서 on the trip. 그 여행. on the trip. Before we came on the trip. 우리가 그 여행을 시작하기 전에 자, 그럼 문장을 만들어 보도록 하겠습니다. 부사절을 맨 앞으로 보내서 Before we came on the trip 이걸 앞으로 보내버리고 이제 동사 주어가 나옵니다. We 문장 아니니까 소문자로 써야 됩니다. 문장은 맨 앞에만 대문자로 씁니다. We built 우리는 만들었습니다. Replicas of their gliders 나이트 형제들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었습니다. 어디에서? 학교에서. period 반드시 period를 찍어야 됩니다. 문장 만들기 제 첫 번째 룰은 문장의 맨 처음은 대문자로 사용한다. 문장이 끝날 때는 period를 찍는다. 이겁니다. Before we came on the trip, we built replicas of the gliders at school. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. 다음 문장은요. 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? 이 질문은 지금 뭐냐면 노는 그런 스케줄은 없어요? 그냥 전부 다 교육적인 것만 하나요? 이런 질문입니다. 하는 활동이 있나요? 이거는 있나요로 만들 수도 있습니다. Are there anything? Are there anything? 이런 식으로요. 그리고 또 Are you? you를 주어로 꺼내서 Are you doing anything just for fun? 이렇게요. 그렇게 두 가지로 할 수 있는데 you를 주어로 하는 걸로 해보겠습니다. 자, 그럼 Are you doing anything? Are you doing anything? 어떤 하는 것이 있나요? 여기까지죠. 그 다음에 즐거움을 위해 just for fun, just for fun, for fun 이거 아주 많이 사용되는 구호입니다. 이거 for fun, just for fun. 그 다음에 아니면 or. 그 다음에 모든 활동이 교육적인 건가요? 모든 활동 all your activities, all your activities 모든 활동 인가요? Are all your activities 교육적인 교육은 education 교육적인 educational Are all your activities educational? 이렇게 묻는 거죠. 자, 그럼 문장을 만들어 보겠습니다. 의문문이니까 동사가 맨 먼저 와야 되겠죠. Are they doing anything? Are they doing anything just for fun? Or are all your activities educational, 퀘스천 마크. 퀘스천 마크 밑에 피어리어가 들어있기 때문에 피어리어들을 따로 찍을 필요가 없습니다. Are they doing anything just for fun? Or are all your activities educational? 2번 문장은 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. 춤을 추다. 그냥 동사로 dance 할 수도 있는데요. have a dance. 그렇게 했습니다. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. We will have a dance. 이렇게 해서 we will dance 해도 되는데요. 자, we will have a dance. 오늘 밤에는 tonight. 문장으로 만들어 보겠습니다. We will have a dance. We'll have a dance tonight. We'll have a dance tonight. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. 네, 이번 문장은 어젯밤에는 볼링을 했어요. 이런 문장입니다. 볼링을 했어요. 이런 거는 went bowling, go bowling. 이거는 아주 영어에서 엄청나게 많이 사용되는 패턴입니다. 뭐 하러 갔다 할 때 went bowling, went shopping, went swimming, went dancing 이렇게요. 자, 문장을 보겠습니다. 주어는 we죠. 볼링 하러 간 사람이 we니까. We went to bowling. 볼링을 했어요. went to bowling. 어젯밤에는 last night. 예. 문장으로 만들어 보면요. We went to bowling. We went to bowling last night. 이렇게 해도 되고, last night을 앞으로 보내가지고 last night we went bowling 이렇게 해도 됩니다. 어젯밤에 볼링을 했어요. last night 이거 잘못했네. 컴마입니다. Last night we went to bowling. Last night we went to bowling. 네, 이번 문장은요. 저는 제 누나처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. 될 수도 있을 것 같다요는 될지도 몰라요. 이런 뜻이죠. 그러면 I might be 이렇게 쓰면 되겠네요. 자, 주어는 I 될지도 몰라요. might be. 사진작가가 a photographer. 이 발음 조심하셔야 됩니다. photographer. 사진작가라 할 때 photographer는 이 오해가 액센트가 있습니다. photographer. 그런데 작가가 아니고 ER 빼버리고 photograph. 사진만 얘기할 때는 photograph만 얘기할 때는 맨 앞에 음절에 액센트가 있어요. photograph, photograph, photographer, photograph, photographer 이렇게요. 사진작가는 이 중간 음절에 액센트가 있고 사진이라고만 할 때는 포토, 앞 음절에 액센트가 있다. 나는 I might be a photographer. 사진작가가 될지도 모릅니다. 제 누나처럼 그러면 문장을 만들어 보겠습니다. 누나처럼은 like my older sister. like my sister. 누나니까 like my older sister. 자, 문장을 만들어 보면요. 나는 I might be 될지도 모릅니다. might be a photographer. 사진 작가가 될지도 모릅니다. photographer. 제 누나처럼 like my older sister. period. 이렇게 하면 문장이 됐는데 이 학생은 약간 또 멋을 부렸어요. 그래가지고 I might be like my old sister. 그리고 여기다가 접속사를 붙여서 and be 그러니까 이 조동사는 might be 이 be에도 걸리고 이 be에도 걸리는 거예요. might be a photographer. 네, 이렇게 했습니다. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 이렇게요. 아까 처음 방법으로 해도 되고 이렇게 해도 되고 그렇습니다. 저는 제 누나처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. 될지도 몰라요. 네, 12번째 마지막 문장입니다. 그냥 열심히 노력하세요. 노력하다. work. 열심히. hard. 그런데 work hard 이렇게 하지 않고 계속해서 열심히 노력하세요. 이렇게 말했어요. 그러니까 계속해서 열심히 하라고 말하려면 keep를 사용해야 됩니다. 자, 그러면 열심히 하는 거 hard 열심히고 노력 working. 그 다음에 계속해서 keep 그냥 just t를 거의 발음하지 않습니다. 이거 just 그냥 문장을 만들어 보겠습니다. just를 맨 앞으로 가져와서 just keep working hard. keep ing 엄청나게 많이 사용하는 패턴입니다. keep ing 계속해서 가세요. keep going 그냥 계속해서 열심히 노력하세요. just keep working hard.
Practice speaking 5 times.
우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. We're on a school field trip. 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. We're on a school field trip. 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. We're on a school field trip. 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. We're on a school field trip. 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. We're on a school field trip. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 무해웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 무해웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 무해웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 무해웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 무해웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Tonight, we'll have a dance. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Tonight, we'll have a dance. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Tonight, we'll have a dance. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Tonight, we'll have a dance. 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Tonight, we'll have a dance. 어젯밤에는 볼링을 했어요. Last night, we went bowling. 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 저는 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 저는 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 저는 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 저는 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 저는 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 그냥 열심히 노력하세요. Just keep working hard. 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 Review all casual conversations. Review all casual conversations. 이번 주에는 월요일에 하루 쉬었지만 미적분 숙제를 많이 했어요. This week I started with a day off on Monday, but I've been doing a lot of calculus homework. 여성 자선 활동에 관한 컨퍼런스에 가서 지역 자선단체를 지원하는 많은 사람들을 만났어요. I went to a conference on women's philanthropy and met many people supporting local charities. 저는 학교 봉사위원회에 속해 있어서 컨퍼런스에 초대되었어요. I attended the conference because I am on my school's service council and was invited. 저는 바바라 부시의 손녀를 만나 그녀가 운영하는 FEED라는 자선단체에 대해 들었어요. I met Barbara Bush's granddaughter who spoke about her charity called FEED. 봉사위원회는 학교가 서비스 프로젝트를 하거나 지역 푸드뱅크를 위한 기금을 모을 수 있도록 단합시켜요. The Service Council unites our school for service projects or raising money for local food banks. 우리는 학대받거나 방치된 아이들을 위한 크리스마스 선물 꾸러미도 만들어요. 6. We also create Christmas care packages for abused and neglected children. 노동절에는 미적분과 스페인어를 공부했지만 가족과 함께 바비큐를 했어요. For Labor Day, I studied for calculus and Spanish, but we also had a family barbecue. 저희 부모님은 인도에서 미국으로 오셨고 대학에서 만나셨어요. My parents came to America from India and met in college. 제 여동생 이름은 카프리이고 그녀는 15살이에요. I have a younger sister named Capri, who is 15 years old. 저는 할머니와 어머니와 함께 요리하면서 자랐고 크리스마스에는 쿠키를 굽는 전통이 있어요. I grew up cooking with my grandmother and mother, and we bake cookies for Christmas. 지난 금요, 우리 학교 오케스트라는 애틀랜타에 갔어요. Last Friday, my school orchestra went to Atlanta. 우리는 대회에 참가하고 애틀랜타를 탐험했어요. We performed in a competition and explored Atlanta. 우리는 하드록 카페에 갔고 애틀랜타 심포니를 들었어요. We went to the Hard Rock Cafe and listened to the Atlanta Symphony. 2시간 반 동안의 공연이었지만 믿을 수 없을 정도로 좋았어요. It was a 2.5-hour performance, but it was unbelievable. 우리는 대회에 참가해서 최고 등급을 받았어요. We attended the competition and got a superior ranking. 그 후 식스플래그 놀이공원에서 9시간 동안 거의 모든 놀이기구를 탔어요. After that, we spent 9 hours at Six Flags riding almost every ride. 우리는 조지아 아쿠아리움을 방문해 전 세계의 해양 생물을 봤어요. We visited the Georgia Aquarium and saw sea life from around the world. 우리는 월드 오브 코카콜라에 가서 대륙별로 다양한 탄산음료를 맛봤어요. We went to the world of Coca-Cola and tasted sodas from every continent. 집으로 돌아오는 버스에서 잭 블랙 영화를 봤어요. And we watched Jack Black movies on the bus ride home. 매일 아침 6시에 일어나 피아노 연습을 하려고 노력해요. I try to wake up at 6 every morning for extra piano practice. 이 문장들을 반복 연습하면 일상 영어 표현에 익숙해지는데 도움이 될 것입니다. 이번 주에 뭐 하고 있었어요? What have you been doing this week? 이번 주에는 제 교회 활동을 시작하려고 집중하고 있었어요. This week I've been focusing on trying to get my extracurriculars started. 올해는 공부하고 성적을 올리려고 노력하고 있어요. I'm trying to study and get my grades up this year. 저는 스피치와 토론을 하고 있어요. I've been doing speech and debate. 방과 후에는 유대인 청소년 프로그램도 하고 있어요. After school, I also have a Jewish youth program that I do. 저는 성전에서 주일학교 아이들을 돕고 있어요. I help with the kids in Sunday school at Temple. Battle of the Books는 매년 책 목록에 따라 경쟁하는 학교 동아리입니다. Battle of the Books is a school club focused on a competition with a list of books. 저는 막 실비아 플라스의 벨자를 읽기 시작했어요. I just started reading The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. Science Olympiad는 주 과학 대회를 준비하는 학교 동아리입니다. Science Olympiad is a school club preparing for a state science competition. 고등학교 졸업 후에 화학학위를 받기를 정말로 희망해요. After high school, I really hope to get a degree in chemistry. In Korean. 1. 친구들과 밖에서 놀고 있었어요. 1. I've been playing outside with friends. 2. 우리는 방금 학년 말 시험을 끝냈어요. 2. We just finished our end of grade tests. 3. 학교는 2주 후에 끝나요. 3. School ends in 2 weeks. 4. 친구들과 뭐하고 놀아요? 4. What do you play with friends? 5. 저는 축구, 그리고 농구를 해요. 5. I play football, soccer, and basketball. 6. 그의 마당에 농구 골대가 있어요. 6. He has a basketball hoop in his yard. 7. 당신 손에 낚싯대를 보이네요. 7. I see a fishing pole in your hands. 8. 저는 연못에 가서 낚시하는 걸 좋아해요. 8. I like to go to the pond and fish. 9. 그는 나에게 낚시하는 법을 가르쳐줬어요. 9. He taught me how to fish. 10. 우리는 스위스에서 2년 동안 살았어요. 10. We lived in Switzerland for 2 years. 우리는 학교 견학 중이에요. We're on a school field trip. 이것은 우리 주를 횡단하며 4일 동안의 여행이에요. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back. 우리는 그들이 노예를 어떻게 대했는지 배웠어요. We learned about how they treated the slaves. 우리는 그들이 양초를 어떻게 만들고 글을 썼는지 배웠어요. We learned how they made candles and wrote. 우리는 그가 어떻게 해적이 되었고 어떻게 죽었는지 배웠어요. We learned how he became a pirate and how he died. 또한 그의 전투 스타일이 배웠어요. We also learned what his battle style was. 여행을 떠나기 전에 우리는 학교에서 그들의 글라이더 모형을 만들었어요. Before we came onto the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. 즐거움을 위해 하는 활동이 있나요? 아니면 모든 활동이 교육적인가요? Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational? 오늘 밤에는 춤을 출 거예요. Tonight, we'll have a dance. 어젯밤에는 볼링을 했어요. Last night, we went bowling. 저는 제 언니처럼 사진작가가 될 수도 있을 것 같아요. I might be like my older sister and be a photographer. 그냥 열심히 노력하세요. Just keep working hard.
What have you been doing this week?
We're on a school field trip. It's a 4-day trip across our state and back.
Where have you gone?
We went to UNC and learned about the basketball history and their star basketball players. Then we went to Somerset Plantation and we learned about how they treated the slaves and how they made candles and wrote. And we learned about the owners too. Then we went to the Blackbeard Museum and we learned about Blackbeard, how he became a pirate and how he died and what his battle style was. Then we learned about the Wright brothers' history. That's today. Before we came on to the trip, we built replicas of their gliders at school. We researched what they flew and how they flew and what inspired them.
Are you doing anything just for fun, or are all your activities educational?
Tonight we'll have a dance, and last night we went bowling.
Do you have any special interests?
I like sports. I like basketball, and I'm on the school baseball team.
What are your plans for the future after you finish school?
I want to be a zoologist. I want to study animals, and I might be like my older sister and be a photographer and take pictures of animals too.
Is there anything that you would like to say to kids in other countries?
You guys are going to get there. Just keep working hard.
What have you been doing this week?
I've been going to school and playing outside with friends mostly.
What are you doing in school?
We just finished our end of grade tests. School ends in 2 weeks.
What do you play when you play with friends?
I play football, soccer, basketball with the guys in the neighborhood. We play at Evan's house. He has a basketball hoop in his yard.
And I see a fishing pole in your hands.
Yeah, I like to go to the pond and fish. I normally go about once a week. I usually catch a few. Today I hooked 5, but they all got off. But I did catch 2. It really keeps you going. It makes you think, I really want to catch that fish. My dad loves to fish, so he taught me.
I don't think you've always lived in this neighborhood. Is that right?
Yeah, we lived in Switzerland for 2 years. I liked it, but I like it here more. There's more stuff to do here, more entertainment. But it was fun in Switzerland.
Did you learn a new language in Switzerland?
I already knew Swiss German because my mom was from Switzerland. I learned it when I was 3 or 4.
Is there anything that you would like to say to kids in other countries?
Hello from America.
What have you been doing this week?
Well, this week I've been focusing on trying to get my extracurricular started because the year has just started and I've been trying to study and getting my grades up this year.
What kind of extracurricular activities do you do?
Oh, I've been doing speech and debate and Battle of the Books, and soon Science Olympiad is going to get started and I'm going to be doing that. And in addition, after school, I also have a Jewish youth program that I do, and I help with the kids in Sunday school at Temple. I'm basically like a teacher's assistant.
And what is Battle of the Books?
Battle of the Books is a school club that is focused on a competition with a list of books that we get every year, and we compete on our knowledge of the books.
What kind of books?
Well, this year there are 15 on the list, and I just started reading The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath. And the list is mostly fiction, but there is some nonfiction in there.
And what is the Science Olympiad?
Science Olympiad is a school club that is also geared to preparing towards a competition, but it's for a state science competition where we compete in partners on different science events.
What do you hope to do after high school?
After high school, I really hope to get a degree in chemistry because it's what I'm really passionate about, and then probably go to medical school to focus on people and the brain, which I'm also really interested in, and I want to be a neurologist.
Is there anything that you would like to say to kids in other countries?
I don't know. I'm kind of a new English speaker. I've been here for 6 years, so it's kind of surreal to talk to kids who are also learning English.
What is your first language?
My first language is Hebrew. I'm from Israel.
How did you end up here?
Well, my dad got a transfer from work, and we all thought it would be a really good experience, and I have loved it so far, and so has my whole family.
So, is there anything you would like to say to kids in other countries?
Well, first of all, hi, and I guess some really good piece of advice is really go after what you love and work towards doing what you're passionate about.
What have you been doing this week?
Different week than usual. Last Friday, my school orchestra went to Atlanta, Georgia, where we went to perform in a competition, and we went everywhere in Atlanta after that. We went to the Hard Rock Cafe and even got to listen to the Atlanta Symphony. It was like a 2.5-hour performance, but they were unbelievable. It was great. The next day, we attended the actual competition and were ranked as being superior, which is the best ranking, of course. And after that, we went to Six Flags, the amusement park, for about 9 hours and rode just about every ride there. And then the next day, we went to the Georgia Aquarium and got to see all sorts of sea life that was really cool from all over the world. And after that, we went to the world of Coca-Cola and got to taste sodas from every continent. It was very neat. Following that day, we got back on the bus and rode 5 hours all the way home watching Jack Black movies.
Who is Jack Black?
Oh, he's a real goofy actor. The bus ride was kind of long because of Atlanta's traffic, so it felt good to be back in my little old hometown.
What instrument do you play?
Well, my main instrument is the piano, but I also play the bass guitar and the upright bass, which is what I play in the school orchestra.
What do you do on an ordinary day?
On an ordinary school day, I try to wake up at 6 o'clock every morning and get some extra piano practice before going to what we call zero period at school. Most students start at first period, but zero period is like an extra class you can take before that. I take jazz ensemble. I get home after school at around 4:30, and then I do homework, eat dinner, practice instruments, or maybe go to church for a music rehearsal, and I usually try to go to bed by 11.
Is there anything you would like to say to kids in other countries?
Let's see. I would probably like to give the advice to make sure to cherish your youthful years. I do.
What have you been doing this week?
Well, this week I started with having a day off on Monday, but I've been doing a lot of calculus homework the entire week. I was lucky enough to go to a conference today on women's philanthropy, and I was so excited to meet a lot of people who were involved in supporting many philanthropies which deal with feeding the hungry in my area.
Why did you get to go to the conference?
I got to go to the conference because I am on the service council at my school, and I was one of the 10 in the county who was invited. I was able to meet Barbara Bush's granddaughter, and she was speaking about her charity that she has had for about 10 years, which is called FEED, which basically feeds hungry children in America as well as around the world.
What does the Service Council do?
What the Service Council does is try to get my school united in doing service projects or raising money for local food banks. We also put together Christmas care packages for abused as well as neglected children.
What did you do for the Labor Day holiday?
For the Labor Day holiday, I was doing a lot of studying to get ready for my calculus and Spanish class. But we also had a barbecue for dinner, and we ate as a family, which is something we always do on holidays and long weekends.
Can you tell me a little bit about your family?
My parents came to America from India, and they met in college. My grandmother is Portuguese, and I am very close to her. I also have a younger sister named Capri, and she is 15 years old.
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, we have lots of special traditions, and they're really all important to me. I grew up cooking with my grandmother and my mother, so baking cookies for Christmas is a huge tradition. We love Italian food, grilled chicken, and salads.
What do you want to do after high school?
I would love to go to college and pursue my passions for Spanish, history, and business.
Do you have an idea of a career you'd like to follow?
I would love to somehow bring all of these passions together by doing a type of corporate job, but I'm not really quite sure yet.
Is there anything that you would like to say to kids in other countries?
I'm so excited to be able to talk to you guys and share part of my culture with you guys. I hope one day to travel to your countries and to learn a little bit more about how small the world really is.